Hello students, in this video we will learn why is 1 1, why is 1 1 and why is 2 2, right? So today's topic of discussion is why is 1 1 and why is 2 2, okay? So in present day we know that there are 10 numbers in mathematics. What are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All right. So these are known as Arabic numerals. What are these? These are Arabic numerals. Okay. And they are also called as Hindu Arabic numerals. They're also called as Hindu Arabic numerals. So now, friends, as we know that these are the most common symbolic representations of numbers in the world. Okay. So this decimal Hindu Arabic numeral system was developed in India around AD 700, right? So the development of this decimal Hindu Arabic numbers or numerals took place in India around AD 700, right? And then slowly the development was gradual, spanning several centuries, right? It was a gradual development, but the decisive step was probably provided by this mathematician whose name was Brahma Gupta. So this guy, Brahma Gupta, he studied zero in detail, okay, and gave the operations of zero. So the formulation of zero, the zero was formed before AD 628. Okay, then these Arabs picked up the numerals and popularized them. Okay, and then these numbers, these numerals, they stand contrast to the Roman numerals, which are represented as this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5, right? And so on and so forth. So, friends, the question is, have you ever thought why 1 is 1 and 2 is represented like this 2? Okay, so it's simple. The answer is simple. All we have to do is check the number of angles in each figure. Okay, so first we will see how the primitive form of numbers look like. When these symbols were formed, they were in the primitive form. So what do you mean by primitive form? Let's say 1. So this is 1. Okay. So here we have to count the number of angles between these two lines. So there is only one angle. Okay. So this symbol was used to represent 1. Similarly, how 2 was represented? This line, and then this line. So now count the number of angles. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. So 2 angles in total. Therefore, this symbol was used to represent 2. Okay. Similarly, if we consider 3, it was something like this. So these are the primitive forms. So now count the number of angles. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Angle means the angular displacement between two sides, right? That is what the angle is. So we have 3 angles, and therefore this symbol was used to represent 3. Similarly, 4 or something like this. Okay, so count the number of angles in this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this one is 4. So 4 angles, and therefore this symbol was used for representation of 4. Similarly, friends, we have 5. The primitive form looks like this. this was 5. Okay, now count the number of angles. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. So 5 angles. Okay, similarly 6 was represented like this. Now count the number of angles in this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 6. So there were 6 angles in this, and hence it is used to represent 6. Then how does a 7 look like? Like this. Put a line over here, then a shorter line over here. Now count the number of angles. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, and this one is 7. Okay, minded, this one is a line. So 7 angles. Okay, then how does a 8 look like? Like this. So these are the primitive forms. Now count the number of angles in this. This is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 angles, and hence this symbol is used to represent 8. Okay, then the next one is 9. So how does a 9 look like? So join this one, then this line, like this. So this was 9. Now count the number of angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this one is 9. So total 9 angles. And then the most interesting one out of them all is 0. So how does a 0 look like? Like this. So how many angles are there? 0 angles, isn't it? So friends, although this is not the correct reason, you can say this is the true reason, but not the actual, because the actual is lost to time. Okay, so this is the most likely explanation we can give in order to answer why 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.